She's got a smile that it seems to me reminds me of childhood memories, where everything was as fresh as the bright blue sky. Now and then when I see her face, she takes me away to that special place. And if I stare too long, I'd probably break down and cry. Oh, sweet child of mine. Oh, sweet love of mine. I've seen you growing every day. I never really looked before, but now you take my breath away. Suddenly you're in my life, part of everything I do. You got me working day and night, just trying to keep a hold on you. Here in your arms I found my paradise, my only chance for happiness. And if I lose you now, I think I would die. Oh, say you'll always be my baby, we can make it shine. We can take forever, just a minute at a time. More than a woman, more than a woman to me, more than a woman, oh, more than a woman to me.
It's a little bit funny, this feeling inside. I'm not one of those who can easily hide. Don't have much money, but boy, if I did, I'd buy a big house where we both could live. If I was a sculptor, but then again no, or a man who makes potions in a traveling show. I know it's not much, but it's the best I can do. My gift is my song, and this one's for you.
Never seen you looking so lovely as you did tonight. I've never seen you shine so bright. I've never seen so many men ask you if you wanted to dance. They're looking for a little romance, given half a chance. And I've never seen that dress you're wearing, all the highlights in your hair that catch your eyes. I have been blind. The lady in red is dancing with me, cheek to cheek. There's nobody here, it's just you and me. It's where I wanna be, but I hardly know this beauty by my side. I'll never forget the way you look tonight.
Babu,
Say happy
Papa.
birthday.
apa tu? Oh, you, apa tu? Oh, you.
Happy birthday, Alili. 60 ka na. Ingat. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay?
Hi sis! Oh, tatlo-tatlo na ang citizenship mo. Filipino citizen ka na. Australian citizen ka pa. Ngayon, senior citizen ka na. Happy birthday! Happy 60th birthday! Alam ko naman kahit nasa malayo ka, ano man ang ginagawa mo dyan, nandito pa rin ako ng ate mo at ikaw yung kaisa-isa kong kapatid. Wish ko lang sa'yo, sana alagaan mo yung sarili mo. Huwag yung puro trabaho. Mag-rest ka rin ha. Alam mo naman yun. Mahina na tayo matanda na. Mahal kita. Ngayon, bukas, magpakailan. Tandaan mo yan. Happy birthday sis! I love you.
Happy birthday, Yeye.
Happy birthday!
Ingat ka dyan. God bless. Happy birthday, 60 ka na.
May you have many more birthdays to come. And may you have package.
Happy birthday.
Thank you!
Thank you sa lahat.
Happy birthday, Tita Alande. We love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Lani. We love you.
Hi, Tita Lely! Happy 60th birthday po. So, first of all, I want to congratulate you for reaching this incredible milestone. And sana po you're having a great time there in Australia with family and friends. I wanted to wish you po happiness, peace, and the greatest gift of all, good health. And lastly po, we want to thank you for being part of our lives and simply being part of the family and having such a meaningful impact, because we deeply appreciate for your hard work and sacrifice. And once again po, happy 60th birthday po, Tita Lely!
Happy 60th birthday, Ate Lely. Thank you for being such an amazing and caring person. Personally, I'm just so grateful for your love and help, especially during those times when we really needed an extra support. No wonder God always blesses you in so many things because of your loving heart and generosity. All my prayers and wishes for you is that God will guide you always and give you endless happiness and good health and all the beautiful things that you deserve, and enjoy this wonderful new chapter of your life. God bless you always and see you soon. We love you. Bye.
Lili, happy birthday. Happy 60th. May ulang nalaman din na 60 ka na pala. Yan, yun. Ang pagbati namin na hindi lang sarili ko, kundi yung pamilya ko. Yung pasasalamat syempre sa lahat ng tulong mo. Syempre yung pagiging kapatid namin, pagiging ate ko. Alam mo yung pinagdaanan ng bawat isa. Ganun din ikaw. Napakarami mong pinagdaanan, pero ang mahalaga yung kung nasan tayo ngayon, kung ano yung sitwasyon natin. Although na iba't iba tayo ng sitwasyon, pero pinakamahalaga, pinakamaganda is yung ating relasyon sa bawat isa, magkakapatid. Papasalamat ako yung mga panahon na talagang nangangailangan kami pamilya, nandiyan ka, at yung syempre yung mga tulong mo sa mga pamilya natin, lalo higit kinta nanay at tatay. Ako yung natutuwa na naabot mo yung ganitong edad, na alam natin na isang napakalaking blessing na makaabot sa ganitong estado. Alam ko naman na marami kang pinagdaanan at kang nagtatrabaho para sa mga pamilya mo. Ang dasal ko sa iyo ay siyempre yung iyong kalusugan, yung iyong araw-araw na pagtatrabaho, at kalakasan mo. Siyempre alam natin na marami ka rin nararamdaman. Dasal ko yung restoration ng iyong katawan, at patuloy na maging malakas, no? Hindi lang sa physical, kundi yung spiritual mo, spiritual na buhay mo. Lagi kitang pinagdadasal sa po ng ating mga kapatid, at sa araw na darating na yung kaarawan, ganyan din yung mga birthday ng ating mga kapatid, dasal ko sa inyo lahat yung puso, yung relasyon mo higit sa lahat sa Diyos na napakahalaga, no? Happy birthday, happy 60th, at alam mo na mahal ka namin, and although nawala ka sa Pilipinas, ihatid namin sa iyo ang mga panalangin at mga dasal. Happy birthday, Ate Lily. We love you.
Happy birthday, Ma. Happy senior years. Ayan, senior years na. Bawas-bawasan na ang pag-iisip po ng kung ano-ano. At saka ang kalusugan, sana ay laging ipagpatuloy na malakas ang katawan. At ang isipan. Ayun, bati ko kay Ma. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lola. And I miss you. I love you.
Happy birthday! Wishing you all the best.
Happy 60th birthday, Ma. Sayang at hindi ako nakauwi sa birthday mo para makasama ka. Pero alam mo naman kung gaano kita kamahal at kung gaano ka namin kamahal lahat. May mga pagkakataon man na hindi tayo nagkakaintindihan, pero mas nangingibabaw pa rin yung pagiging pamilya natin. Magkakalayo man tayo, lagi ka pa rin nasa puso at isip namin ng mga anak at mga apo mo. And as you enter your 60s, I hope you will find more time to enjoy, relax, and have more beautiful memories with Uncle Michael. Palagi kang mag-iingat at huwag ka lagi magpapagod. Alam mo na, syempre matanda na. And yun, salamat sa lahat ng mga pag-uunawa mo, pag-iintindi sa amin, pag-aalaga kay nanay at kay tatay. Kahit malayo ka, iniisip mo pa rin sila. Sa buong family, alam ko yung mga sacrifices mo. And thank you kasi ikaw yung nanay namin.
Hey, Alali, bigyan ko ng mahabang buhay.
Maraming birthday dahil sa iyo.
Bigtas
Iwas ka sa lahat ng karamdaman. Inyong lakas ng katawan.
Okay? Happy birthday.
birthday.
Okay.
Ay, bumaba na. Ayun na. Look at ma'am. Wait.
Ma'am,
Ay, limited na. Ayan na. Ito nakabili. Ito, ay hawak ko na ito.
mamaya na. Hindi
na ako pinababa.
Ano makababa siya?
Come here, hi. Sit down. Tayo. Tayo. Naulan.
She doesn't recognize at first.
No, it's not.
Hindi kilala. Ay, sabi dito, Elena, nakita ko na. Si Alili ba yun? Si Alili, wala.
Oo, nakain tayo. Miss Micah.
Ay, salamat po. Siyempre. Ay, thank you very much. Oh. Well, sabay-sabay. Magtatakas ka lang.
Hindi alam. Let's go.
Ikaw
Muna na
sabi
kayo.
namin, ikaw nakakatayo.
Kaboboy, kayo na.
Gawa ko si namin. Baka nakin na aling lete. Nakita ka na namin na andun.
Hindi naman niya kita.
Hindi siya sabi. Hindi siya lilihan. Ay, ay, dali. Very, very. Mamaya na ibaba yung ano.
Mamaya na.
Tara na.
Let's get inside.
Wala rin. Oh, Diyos ko. Uy, no, yung... Sino? 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 Si Alili? Oh, hindi. Sino? Hindi Sino? Oh, si Alili. Hindi Ay, kulit mo. Si Alili ba yun? Sabi hindi pa. Sabi ko sa iyo. Sino?
Sinundo nga namin sa Australia.
Tayo.
Hindi alam. Hindi kilala. Sabi dito, Elena, sabi si Alili ba yun? Hindi. Si Alili, hindi.
Oo, dalang tayo. Miss Micah. Si tatay. Ayun, hop. Tawag kayo ng tawag. Hindi masagot. Hindi masagot.
Tapos sa camera, tinawagan mo sa camera.
Hindi masagot. Kaya dadaanan lang.
Sinanay yung
Kasabay na namin. Kasabay na namin. Kasabay na namin yung dalawa. Ikaw na surprise. Sabihin mo na kasi siya hapon. Ayaw mo.